Welcome dear friends to my channel Raj Techs. This week solved a problem. From the well, water was not pumping out because of the footwall inside the well. We took out of the pipeline from the well and removed and replaced the footwall. Please find the footwall flapper. This flapper is opened. That's why water was not taken or pumping. That was removed and we brought a new one. This was a spare available with new one. This type of material should be in house always. We don't know what time such type of problems are. See, this is the wall platform. It is just fixing it to the pipe. Now giving the Teflon tape and fixing the footwall. New footwall was with me as a spare because anytime such problem may happen. So before COVID time I purchased this. Keep such valves with you, those who are using well and pumps. See, once more I open this because there is a system priming. We need to prime the pipe. 2-3 max water. 2-3 mugs of water we have to provide. By filling this pipe, we can close the valve. After filling water, tightening the valve. Now put in the well. This full system has to put in the well. Then start the pumping. Successful. The footwall complaint is solved. Thank you for watching me. Please like and subscribe to get future notifications. Thank you.